Riang.
Thank you, sir. Now over to felicitation.
Once again, a very good morning. As we come to the conclusion of this enriching session, session 3 on energy infrastructure and energy governance, it is a time to express our gratitude to our distinguished guest. Therefore, may I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice Natraj, Judge, High Court of Karnataka, Professor Dr. S. Shivakumar, President, CLEA, and I would also like to request Honorable Mr. Chief Justice of Karnataka to felicitate our distinguished guest. First, Mr. Rama Prasad, IAS. To begin with, first I would like to humbly request Mr. Justice N. Koteshwar Singh, Judge, Supreme Court of India, our esteemed chair for this session, to accept our token of appreciation. Sir, your gracious presence and valuable guidance have greatly enriched today's deliberation. Next, I respectfully invite Honorable Mr. Justice A. Muhammad Mustaq, Chief Justice of High Court of Sikkim, our distinguished co-chair, to accept a token of appreciation. Sir, your insights and leadership have added immense contribution to this session. Next, I request Mr. P. Ravi Kumar, IAS, Chairman, Karnataka Electricity Regulatory Commission, our keynote speaker, to kindly accept sincere thanks and token of gratitude. Next, I would request Honorable Mr. Justice B. M. Shyam Prasad, Judge, High Court of Karnataka, to receive a token of appreciation. I would humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice E.V. Venugopal, Judge, High Court of Telangana, to kindly receive a token of appreciation. Commonwealth Institute for Justice, Education and Research, to receive a token of appreciation. Vice President CL receive our token of appreciation.